Hello, I'm Roman. Welcome back to the series of the videos, Neural Networks from Scratch in Golang, where we're using the book called Neural Networks from Scratch in Python, but we're writing everything with the Golang. And currently, I'm actually finished with the calling the prediction. And in the previous video, we actually was able to get the prediction for unseen image. We just downloaded the image and called the prediction. Then we were able to map the predictions to the class, like to the meaningful class for the user, well, for the human being. And currently, what I want to do is I want to create a simple web service so I can post an image and get the prediction as a result. So I did some preparation for this one. So there is a code to call the prediction. There is a code to load the model. And currently the last thing I need to do is to actually create a simple web server and load it and, post the image. And there is a website called Go by Example. It was suggested me by uh, one of the guys in the Discord that we have for this, for the set of these channels. I have the two channels. This one is, like coding, hands-on stuff currently around neural networks, but I will continue with other things very soon. And there is another one with the talking head videos about tech industry, software engineering, and so on. So one of the guys, thank you, suggested me to take a look at the Go by example, and there is an example how to create an HTTP. I won't just copy paste this thing. So we'll take a look at the documentation, but let's see. So the first thing I can see that I assume that there is an implementation of some interface that we can pass in handle func. So let's take a look at the handle func. Handle function, and there are two things. The first one is the pattern. Handle function registered the handle function for the given pattern in the default servmax. The documentation of servmax how the pattern are matched. Okay, so I will do handle func. If you're curious what's it's an application, it's called Dash, and it's the way to browse the documentation. There are lots of the things. This video is not sponsored by the Dash, but I really enjoy this application. So the documentation from Max explain how the patterns are matched. Okay, but basically what I need to do is I need to have the pattern. Let's call it prediction. Predict. I just call predict. And there is a function, and I will declare this separately. So we have the prediction, and here I will do not this. Okay, prediction handler. So that will be the response writer and the request. Right? Should no. Okay, and which means that we can pass the prediction handler. Why you don't want to prediction handler? Okay. Okay, and then I think we should have something like listen and or serve. No, oh, okay, HTTP serve or listen and serve. Listen and serve listens to the TCP network address header and then calls serve with the handler to handle requests on incoming connection, except connections are configured to enable TCP keep alive. The handler is typically nil, which is the case, in which case default servmax is used. Always return a non-nil error. always return a non-nil error. Okay. So, okay. Well, that will be the local host, that will be nil, and print, right? Running, right? And then, yeah, you can see I made some. Okay, running. Okay. Okay, how I can, check. I cannot fix the tab with the, okay, with the nvim cm pair, how it's called. So there is a response writer, right? I think we should have something right. Write as, how it's writing, f print f. Okay, f. Oh no, fmt f print f. Oh, okay. So we have the fmt f print f. We have the writer, and we have, I don't know, prediction, right? So we doing the serve, and what we can do, we can do curl this one, right? Prediction. Okay. Exposed, I think. Can't resolve. Oh no. Okay, currently it's get, but I will need to do the post. Okay, so handle function, can I define, is it the post or hp post URL? No, that's the post. Post close proto header method. Client requests an empty string. Okay, so for example, let me try. If the request, not the header, which one? Proto header methods. Okay, method equals to post. I think no. If not, then I will do this and correct. Just this one, right? And still the predictor. Okay, need to rerun it and incorrect HTTP. Okay, return. So that should be the case. Okay. If web. Okay, but how I going to post? Okay, and that should be x post f, I think, file equal to assets t-shirt png. This one. Okay, curl x post f file equal to assets t-shirt png, and then localhost predict. Okay, so what then we checking? We need to take the, I think, the body, right? So if rec body, for the client request, a nil body means the request has no body, such as get request, and it should be client responsible for only close. So we need body must allow read to begin call concurrently with the close in particular. Okay, so what I need to do right now. So I will need a reader for request body read. Oh, let's read closer. Let's respond. I will read all. I will read request body. Can I do this? Okay, so error. Okay, if error is not equal to nil, then we just do this up here. That's it. Then if what are arrays bytes, then we need to create an image, which will be image.image. How I created, I think new image, new. Okay, RGBA, assuming that not this one. I'm trying to remember where I use images. Load image, what is F? Image new load. No, okay. Image that image decode. Okay, so that should be decode from R, and we do defer rec body close, right? Oh, so basically rec body. That's, yeah, I'm still getting used to the way handle it in Go. If r not equal to nil, then fmt print f this one and return, right? Match, but decode return 3. Image string. Okay. I will do this for now. Then we need to do the prediction. So that will be the class name error, and that will be prediction for image, right? Resp, and that will be struct with class int JSON class index. Then okay, names. Let's see, name string JSON class name, right? And then we do class equals to class, surprisingly. Name is class name. Then we do, what do we do? JSON Marshall. Will it Marshall into string? Okay, so that will be response, right? And it means there again. This, I think that will be string from D, right? imported, did not use. Okay. Okay, running. Oh, unknown format. Decode. Okay, that I think will be this one. That should be /png. I don't know. Yeah, I just know that I will be posting undefined image. Okay. Then we do this and restart. Okay, it's running. Okay, not a PNG file. Okay, not a PNG. FTF print len rec body. Okay, so I need to actually get it. Yeah, this is the multi-form uploading, so I need to get the file from it. So what I should do, I can take file, let's think this, and here error form file, I think, and it should be file, right? Okay, so then if it actually should be, I think, HTTP error, just, and that will be way incorrect methods and HTTP error, something like not supported status HTTP. Let's just do this. Again, well, this is a little bit different. Okay, then we do this, and what will be missing file? Yeah, and it will return the multiple file handler and file. I think at this moment I don't need handler. Then I need file, and file is the type of multipart file. Multipart file is a reader at seeker. So I should be able to do something like this, right? Defer file close. And again, if this is, well, actually I can pass the error, right? Why you cannot use? Why you cannot use? Why? Okay. Can't use error. The string value. Okay, string. And here, right? What do we have? Boom! So basically, I have an answer for the t-shirt. Let's take a look at the, for example, I think it was pants. Yes. I mean, so basically we have an HTTP, like simple HTTP server that can do this. It returns the JSON in response, and that's it. I mean, it's not ideal. There are many things that can be improved, like checking because there is no checking that there is actually the PNG, and if I will, send something else, then it will, for example, what will happen if I will send model JSON, Okay, it's actually not a PNG format. Okay. And if I will send something, do I have a JPEG? No, I don't have the JPEG. Okay, that's fine. Mm, yeah, and this is basically it. I mean, I will commit all of the things in the repository. I will record the next video. Um, well, actually, we have one chapter to take a look, and it's called closing. So there are just three, like several pages. We will take a look at them. I will share what will happen next with this series, and there are actually a couple of ideas how I can continue working on this. And yeah, tomorrow I will share what will happen this, what is the plan for this channel, for this series, what will happen next. And yeah, basically, and we'll take a look at the closing. I think it should be relatively I mean, it will be a very short video, like maybe 15 minutes should be enough to finish with this one. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.